Hi there, my name's Ashley Fox and I'm a business integration specialist at Practice Dynamix. We help financial planning businesses integrate technology solutions to improve and enhance their business and process. I'm here today to talk to you about why you should conduct a gap analysis to ensure your business is on the right steps to success. As financial planners, we tell our clients to do a financial health check. We tell them to do insurance checks. We tell them to do mortgage checks. And we always tell them to do lifestyle goal checks. But are we hypocrites in this industry? Do we actually run these checks on our own businesses? Do we run them on the back end of our business? So often we're focused on the sexy end of the business. We're analysing new client flows, we're looking at revenue, leads, profitability. How often have you actually considered that it might be the back end of your business that needs the work? We hear advisors all the time telling their clients not to implement set and forget investment strategies and to continually analyse and assess their financial planning goals. But more often than not, when we actually ask an advisor or a partner when they last run a health check on their business, the answer we hear is never. Often when businesses do invest in a health check, it's usually because there's been a catalyst for change, like staff member leaving, disgruntled staff member exiting and causing waves amongst the remaining staff, or clients have begun to express unhappiness in advice, performance, or investments. We know that the cost of losing a client can be absolutely excruciating. But did you know that nearly 7 out of 10 respondents in the AHRI Pulse survey reported that the cost of turnover of staff isn't measured in their workplace, but estimates project the direct cost and also the indirect cost can be between 30 and 150% of that staff member's salary. And this really hurts your bottom line. So what would happen if you invested in your business and some sort of health check before it actually got to this point? We found that many practices are reluctant to run a diagnostic within their business at the risk of uncovering something they are frightened to hear. In truth, though, quite often the outcome is the total opposite. Staff are invested in the business. Your staff are invested in the process and the clients, and they much prefer to see systemic change in your current process rather than having to leave and go through all the rigmarole of alternative employment with another firm. Our goal is to listen, strategize, and develop. We conduct a gap analysis within your financial planning business in order to fully understand how your overall business functions on a day-to-day basis, what your client onboarding experience is, how your end-to-end advice process works, how your workflows are developed, how your team and individual pods operate and interact with each other, and the current use of technology within your business, and also what you'd like to implement and where you'd like to be in the future. Now, we do not do this through an online questionnaire. There's no survey. We don't use an evaluation tool. We like to do this the old-fashioned way, in real life. I know, shocking. We sit in your office, we listen to your administration processes, and we actually talk to your staff. Our focus is on creating efficiencies and better workflow transmission from person to person, from team to team, using the financial planning software you have, which we find enhances the client experience, team satisfaction levels, improves your workflow capabilities, all of which contribute to your bottom line. We are then placed in a unique position which will help you pinpoint the gaps in your business, identify your administration strengths, weaknesses, and help you formulate strategies on how to utilize our assessment within your team and within your business. So if you'd like to have a chat to us about this, give us a call or send us an email, and we're more than happy to go through in a bit more detail and give you a quote on what it would cost for us to come out and do this for you. Look forward to chatting soon.